Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling to make your business stand out among competitors? Well, the solution is here. Brought to you by NextGen Payment Solutions, your go-to in merchant and payment processing POS system provider. Today, we're going to talk about 5 best strategies to make your business stand out. Make sure to stay tuned and hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and comment down below. 1. Crafting an impactful branding strategy. Remember, your brand is your promise to your customer. It's essential to convey your company's values and mission clearly. Think about how Coca-Cola's logo alone evokes feelings of happiness. Achieving such brand recognition requires consistency and a compelling narrative that resonates with your audience on an emotional level. 2. Fostering media relationships. Ever noticed how some brands always seem to be in the spotlight? That's no accident. Building relationships with the media can significantly boost your brand's visibility and credibility. Being a reliable source for journalists can transform your brand into an industry authority. 3. Harnessing the power of social media. Platforms like Instagram and Twitter aren't just for scrolling, they're powerful tools for connecting with your audience. Consistent, engaging content can build a loyal following, while partnerships with influencers can introduce your brand to new eyes. 4. Collaborating with influencers. Influencers can be your bridge to reaching audiences that are highly engaged and ready to listen. The key is finding influencers whose followers match your target demographic, ensuring your collaborations feel authentic and drive real results. 5. Engaging in local events. Nothing beats face-to-face interaction. Participating in or sponsoring local events can significantly increase your brand's community presence. It's an excellent way to showcase your commitment to local causes and directly engage with potential customers. And there you have it. If you find this video valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful insights. Give us a call or visit npscanada.com. Thanks for watching, and until next time.